Full sun beating down on you and your passengers with zero shade and nowhere to hide. That's a rough ride. A bikini top keeps the open-air feel you bought the Bronco for, while actually blocking the rays that'll cook you on a long trail day. 5 options right here, and all the links are waiting for you in the description below. Kicking things off at number 5, the Hoolcar Mesh Bikini Top is the budget-friendly entry that gets the job done. Blocks over 95% of harmful UV rays, fits snug around the roll bars using bungee cords with zero tools or modifications needed. High-quality polyester with double-sewn edges and metal grommets built to resist stains and fading. Compatible with select Bronco models. Confirm fitment before ordering. Simple, affordable, and solid for casual weekend use. Number 4. The Rough Country Mesh top blocks 70% of UV rays while staying compatible with both factory hard and soft tops, meaning you don't have to choose between shade and your factory setup. Adjustable nylon straps keep it locked down tight with zero flapping at speed. Connects to factory mounting points with no additional hardware. Covers both 2-door and 4-door Broncos. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Great everyday option right here. At number 3, the SpiderWebShade is the American-made standout on this list. Custom cut for exact roll bar alignment, blocks up to 90% of UV rays, and reduces interior heat significantly. Airbag-safe design means it's fully compatible with side roll cage airbags, which is a big deal for families. Built from premium trail mesh, tough enough for both daily driving and rugged off-road use. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty. That's serious commitment to quality. Number 2, the Alien Sunshade is the install it once and forget it option. Leave it on through rain, wind, and sun. No need to pull it off when you put your hard or soft top back on. Features a zipper and hook system for a precise fit. Highway speed tested to stay flat with zero flapping. UV-resistant mesh keeps you and your passengers protected while maintaining that open-air experience. Clean, functional, and designed specifically for Bronco owners who use their rig daily. Taking the top spot, the Sukemichi Bikini Top delivers the full package. UV protection, wind noise reduction, and heavy-duty construction, with rust-proof copper grommets and double-sewn edges that hold up through serious wear. Bungee cord installation takes minutes with zero modifications, and you can reinstall your hardtop without fully removing the shade. Fits the full current Bronco lineup. Comes with hardware and an installation manual. Clean value from top to bottom, no cap. 5 bikini tops, 1 Bronco, and no more excuses to skip the open-air experience because of the sun. Whether you want a no-fuss budget pick or an American-made 10-year warranty option, this list has something for every Bronco owner. All links are in the description. Go check them out. Hit that subscribe button and stay locked in. More Bronco content and off-road gear is on the way.